How to use UCard at Dollar General. First, you have to locate a participating store. Not all Dollar General locations may accept UCard. Use the UnitedHealthcare UCard store finder available in the UCard hub through your member portal or the app to find participating stores. Next, you will activate your card before making purchases. Activate your UCard either online or through the app. Activation is necessary to use the card for eligible benefits. Identify eligible products. Your UCard can be used for purchase or to purchase approved over-the-counter products and healthy food items. Use the product scanner in the app to check if the items are eligible before buying. Check out at the register. Let the cashier know you're using a UCard, which acts as an S3 payment card. They will scan the back of your card using the store scanner. Make sure your card contains only eligible items to avoid issues. Monitor your UCard balance. Keep track of your benefit balances and available rewards through the UCard hub on the website or the app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.